All right, so today we are simplifying fractions, and you're expected to fill out your notes, which is the back of the first page of notes here. Simplifying fractions in lowest terms. A fraction in simplest form is equivalent to the original fraction, and you divide by the numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. Okay, so here we have a fraction 4 shaded out of 8, and they have a common factor of 2, so you can divide the 4 by 2, divide by the 8 by 2, which gives you 2 fourths, and 2 fourths has a common factor divided by 2, the common factor of 2, so then that reduces it down even further to 1/2, and we can't find any greatest common factor besides 1 here, so that means 1/2 is simplest form. Okay, and let's look at some examples. 20 and 5 have a greatest common factor of 5. So we divide 20 by 5. Whatever you do the numerator, you have to do the denominator. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Let's look at 32 and 48. 32 and 48, if I find the greatest common factor, and I could use my ladder method or my t-chart to find that, my greatest common factor for 32 and 48 is 16. So I divide both by 16. 32 divided by 16 is 2. 48 divided by 16 is 3. Okay, and let's do 2 more here. Remember, you can always pause and do the t-chart or ladder method to find your greatest common factor. Okay, 16 divided by 18. 16 and 18 have a common factor of 2. So whenever I do the numerator, I have to do the denominator. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Okay, and then 27 and 36 have a greatest common factor of 9. So we divide both sides by 9. 27 divided by 9 is 3. 36 divided by 9 is 4. So we have 3 fourths. Now all of these fractions are in the lowest terms. Okay, and I just want to show one of these as the ladder method. I'll show the last one with the ladder method so you can see if we're finding greatest common factor. So 27 and 36. I know that 27 and 36 have a common factor of 3, so I'll start there. 9 times 3 is 27, and 12 times 3 is 36. Now I have 9 and 12, so a common factor between 9 and 12 once again is 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 4 is 12. Now we have our only common factor is 1, so our greatest common factor is 3 times 3 equals 9 as the greatest common factor. So that's where we get this 9 here. Okay, so you need to know how to find the greatest common factor in order to simplify fractions. Okay, so take time to do that. And look here, right here is my fraction that is reduced as low as possible, 3 fourths. Okay, let me just show you one more like that. Let's do 16 and 18 here. So 16 and 18 are both even, so I know they have a common factor of 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Once again, there is my reduced fraction, and here is my GCF. Okay, so the expectation is for you to do the review problems and then your review, preview, and IXL assignments for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.